Good afternoon. We are following developing news. Just moments ago, the state Supreme Court blocked restaurants from allowing indoor dining. This after just this morning, a district court judge granted a restraining order allowing it. News 13's Brady Wakayama explains how restaurants went from excitement to disappointment again today.
Well, Jess, restaurants would have been able to operate at a 50% capacity and allow dine-in services. Now, the co-owner of Trinity Hotel and Restaurant in Carlsbad, who stayed open defying the governor's order, was excited about the news.
Building a patio on the back of our historic building wasn't something we could do and make food safe.
A district court judge signed the restraining order this morning, preventing the state from enforcing the health order, restricting dining services at breweries and restaurants. The reason why a judge signed off on this restraining order, the state failed to file a response in time. Just last week, the New Mexico Restaurant Association, which represents a portion of the state's restaurants, filed a lawsuit against the state, claiming the governor was targeting restaurants for no good reason. That led to thousands of restaurants across the state to participate in a peaceful protest demanding that they be allowed to serve. Trinity Hotel and Restaurant was one of them. The Department of Health filed an emergency motion with the state Supreme Court this afternoon in response to the restraining order. The state Supreme Court issued a stay, meaning restaurants can't allow indoor dining.
Let's start easing that and let's keep everybody out of every business if you're going to keep them out of restaurants.
We asked the state today why they didn't file a response by the deadline. A spokesperson tells News 13 they were going to file the response today, but the judge jumped the gun on the deadline. And the Supreme Court agreed to the stay the district judge's ruling. The Supreme Court is giving the New Mexico Restaurant Association until next Monday to give a reason to lift the stay. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Brady. The state in their argument pointed out how many cases of COVID around the country have been sparked by indoor dining at restaurants.